Presley or Barney. No cutting out. 2. I love you, you love me. To be continued. Seriously, finally. Presley or Lizzie McGuire.
Grow up, grow up, grow up, grow up.